Hey, today I wanted to take you with me to Big Lots to see what they have in because they started putting out their outdoor furniture. So if you're looking for some new outdoor furniture or you want some inspiration, you might want to stick around and see what Big Lots has in right now. All right, so they have a lot of great patio sets and a lot of them come in sets. So you can get like this is two chairs and it's on sale for 480 and they had 20% off. So you can get this table right here. So you can mix and match the pieces if you want, or you can put them all together. This umbrella was on sale, $25 off. It was $100. Really pretty umbrella too. And then you can see the table right here. So they have a lot of these cute side tables that you can piece, these together with the umbrellas. This sofa right here. So it is a 3-seat sofa. And again, this is on sale. So you can get that for $520. They have this right here, so it has the little awning with it. You can see it is $720. It has a little awning and kind of like a swing like daybed. So you might want to get that because that's a good price. You save $180 on that one right there. This set right here, so you'll get the table, which is on sale for $140. And it is a high dining table, so you'll save $35 on that. And then the set of two chairs, you'll save $65. You get that for $260. So again, you can mix and match some of these if you don't like the way the chairs, the tables, or whatever. You can mix and match these. This was a pretty big sectional type sofa for outside. Thought that was nice. This one was on sale too, so that was $10.60 on sale. But that was a good piece. You can get the ottoman, you can get the chairs, so you can piece together like a real nice set. The ottoman was $190, and then you can see the chairs and the little table in the middle there. You can get that for $640. So if all of this is too much for you, you can just maybe get the table, the chairs with the little side table. You can piece it together how you want. They had a lot of outdoor lighting, so a lot of these are with the stakes, so you can put in the ground there. And these were all about $24. I think they were on sale. These are $25 and under for all of these, and they are the outdoor lighting, so like kind of like the string lighting that you can hang up. They had fire pits. They also have fire pit tables too that we'll take a look at. But they had a lot of fire pits right here that you can just buy individually. This fire pit table here was $230. But don't forget, it's a sale, so you can also get it on sale too. This one right here was $180. Some outdoor rugs they had, so they had from 5'7" to 8x10, and then they came in different prints in the different sizes. Some other cute like lantern-like pieces that you might want to have for outside. I thought these were great because they had a good variety of them and they weren't, priced bad at all. And again, like I said, everything was on sale. So $30 for this one right here. It's more the traditional style. This one right here, I like the little crackling in it. $16, and it looks like, little bulbs. They have these. They look like little bulbs too. $17. And then like, that rust look like color. Just so many different pretty options for the lanterns that you can use for outside. $23 for that one. Then they have it in a smaller version. This one I thought was real pretty with the different bulb details in there. $31. And you can see it fits two nice big bulbs in there. They have chandelier options. That one is $33. And it comes with a remote to it too. This one right here has more of a wood look to it. Thought that one was great. Just so many outdoor options right here. This one is $130 and it has the beading detail on it. So you might want to head over to Big Lots and pick up some outdoor lighting. And you can see the sale there. They have a lot of gazebos. They have just a lot of different things. So they have this little pavilion right here, 1900, sorry. And it is a big space, and then you can fit all of this underneath it. So they just show you the parts and how you can put it together. This one was on sale, $300 off, $1,200 for that section. Of this little fire pit right here, $100 off, $400 for that one right there. Just so many different options. They have this little divider, like the gate there, privacy screen, $224 for that one. And it was a nice, decent size. So you can put together a really nice outdoor space right now with these items from Big Lot. This one right here, the 3 pieces, they said for $320. This chandelier, another lighting option that I thought was real pretty. And you can see it just all goes together so nice. They have the traditional chairs that you use outside. This little side table here is $72. These were nice and sturdy looking, $200. This right here, I don't know if you're picking up the little marble like detail in the table there. I didn't see a price on these chairs, but it's a 4-pack of swirl chairs. The table itself was $300. Then it has the piece for the umbrella in the middle there. This table right here, another good one, and then you can see the seating options for that. So $320 for the table because it was $80 off for that one. And then this is the fire pit bowl, so $120 for that because it was on sale too. And then this is a 6-piece set of chairs for that one. This right here, this has like the high top chairs. So you'll get a set of those too. So this table right here has the fire pit built in. So you can just take and remove that cover or you can just leave it on. And that one was on sale too for $600. So that was 150 off. And then the dining chair set was $680. So this table right here, and then they're showing you can put it together with one of the gazebos. And make a nice little look. So this is a 4-piece chair set for $450, and then the table is $200, and then that little fire pit is $72. So just a lot of great outdoor options right now that you can, like I said, put together. You see different pieces for this one right here. So you get these 2 chairs for $400, $200 a piece, or you can get this ottoman and the sofa for $600. So that's the sofa right there. It's a good size. And then you see the ottoman. This right here, so you get the 3 pieces. So you'll get the 2 chairs and the table in between. So you can put together, again, like I say, some really nice outdoor seating options. This little fire pit right here, 208. They have the little tiki torches. They have seeds for your garden. They have the astroturf, like the fake grass, and they had it in different sizes. So you can get one for 70, one for 800. And it has like a nice, it's not like flat and looking super fake, you know. They have this storage bin right here, so 185. It's a good size too. You can fit a lot of stuff in there. Oh, Costco's and BJ's too also has some nice, storage options. These, they have the replacement seatings. I didn't see the price on these though, but they have the replacement cushions. So if you need some new cushions, they have a different they have different prints that you might want to take a look at. That umbrella I loved, 104 for that one. And then you see this little chair set here. So you get like the chairs, the little ornaments that go in front, and the table for $500. Not the little square looking like one in the middle of the round table. So you see this is the umbrella for this one right here, 104. And then the table that one is in goes with this outdoor set. So the table is 120. So that goes with that. And the other one, you get the round table with that one. This one, the sofa is about 800 and it was on sale for 200 off. You can grab this little side table here for $72. This gazebo was on sale. It was 1700 for this one. I like the colors on this one too. And then you can see like you can get the little mesh to go with it and stuff. This right here, just like so many this is like a wood burning fireplace. You can have your little heat outside, 240 coolers, just a ton of stuff right now at Big Lots. This one was 210 for this one right here. They have more pillow options. These one comes in different prints. The prices are generally around the same for these. This one is $70. This one is $60. So you can see it's not that big of a price difference in those. They have little hammocks that you can travel with. So you can take these outdoors with you if you're going out. $20. You just need like a tree or something to put it to. And then they have the little tree attaching kit for $12. So you can, do all that. More outdoor rugs that you might want to take a look at, and they had those again in the 3 different sizes, and they come in different prints. So Big Lots is just really stocked right now with outdoor items. They have a ton of little throw pillows for outside, and these 2 are going to be around the same price. So that one was $23, this one is $20. You could just see, just a couple dollars difference in those. This one $20. They have some wording, they have cute little prints, just a lot of different options. So if you are into those, you might want to pick up some of those. These chairs, I love these chairs. Just the little details, and they're nice and simple, but like full of details. So it is $296 because they was on sale, and you get both chairs. So I thought those were pretty. These 2 are 2 more great outdoor sets that you can put together. So they have this planner. This planner can go with a lot of the different sets. So the big one was $70, and then the smaller one was $60. They have this little sofa here, which is cute. So you get a four-piece set for $900, and you can see the four pieces there, and then the table with the umbrella you would buy separately. So, but that's a lot of pieces for the $900, which I thought was nice, and just it's a really pretty set. Um, this set right here, so the chair right there is 130, the sofa is 210. This is the chair, the table that goes with it. So 150 for that table. And then the umbrella, I think the palm print is pretty. So 104 for that. But the chair is 130 for this one. And then you can get the sofa, like I said, for 210, which is like a love seat. You can get a rocking chair for 170. This little storage ottoman table here for 80. So you can put together, something cute with this. This right here is something nice and simple. I think this will fit on a lot of different, outdoor spaces, backyards. So it configures different ways too. So it is $900. They say it's three pieces. I'm not sure what three pieces are. I know it comes with that table. Those look connected, but you can take them apart and you can configure it different ways. This cooler right here, 168. It has the double doors at the top. You can see there. Another cute gazebo, $2,000 for this one right here. And you can put, it fits a lot underneath it too, just like the other ones that we saw. So you can get this lantern here. I thought it was nice. 110. And look at the bulbs in the inside. Those are pretty. Just, the little details matter when you're putting together, because so many things look, the same. So the little details matter. So you can get this set right here, the chairs, or you can get this little side table for $96. You can get this sofa right here for $390. You can get this little side table for $120. So you can put together, like I said, a cute little set. And like I said, you don't have to get all the pieces, especially if you can't fit all the pieces. The little love seat was $310. The table, $110. This planter, I only saw the tag on the tall one, so that's at $55. I didn't see a tag on the other one, but I'm gonna imagine about like maybe a $10 difference. This storage right here, $40. So they said it's 27% less. A lot of little other pieces. So this bench, 120. You can see it says welcome in the inside. So it's a nice little metal bench. Ton of chairs. So maybe you don't want to put together something so big. You just need some chairs or something for outside. $55 for those stacking chairs. And they have a little cushion to those too. Tables, just a bunch of different stuff. I like this color right here for that one. These chairs, I always love these chairs, but I'm always scared the little string's gonna pop. But $65. Um, who had these last year? Bath and Body Works? No, Bed Bath and Beyond. I'm sorry, Bed Bath and Beyond had chairs like those last year. Thought were cute, just like so many different options. So that long chair right there, I think it's part of a set that is further down. I think it's so you can get these whole set right here of four chairs for about 240 for those. But I think that long chair goes with this set. So I think you get the table, the chairs, or you can buy it, just in parts, but you can get the whole set for like 310. So you might want to check out that. Just some more chairs, and these are also stacking chairs. Only $30 for these. These are nice and neutral. They'll fit in with a lot of different spaces, and then you can get the little side table to go with these also. So like I said, Big Lots has a ton of outdoor furniture that you might want to look at. They are having a sale right now. So you might want to grab it, even though if you're like me where I live, it's kind of cold a little bit still. But you might want to grab it. Planters, this one is a huge one, $25. They have these are pretty, and they came in a few different colors, $25 too. But you might want to head over to Big Lots and take a look at some of the outdoor furniture, because you can see they have a ton of different gazebos to pick from, patio sets, just all of it right now.